Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got a beautiful piece of Mulberry for you. This is a Mulberry Plaque French purse in black leather. I have one of these and it's just fantastic. The leather gets better the more you use it. It's just really soft and sumptuous and just glorious to use. So it's got the plaque on the front. It's a flap closure with a pressed fasten, and then it looks like this. So let's start here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots along the top, a pocket there and a pocket there. You've got a section here which has got a little mulberry tree in, and 1, 2, 3 card slots. Then there is the zipped section, which has got a divider, so it's zipped like a zip pocket, but you've got 2 sort of sections in there, and you've got a little concertina bit so you can actually get your fingers in and use that. And then in front of the zip, we've got another little pocket, and then we've also got, whereas on the sides, a pocket for your notes, again with the tree lining in it. It's just fantastic. Like I said, I have used mine and used mine and used mine because everything fits in perfectly. Feels beautiful to use. It's quite, it's like the heart, it's not as long as a Continental, so it's easy to fit if you have a small bag. It's just beautiful, I love it. So the measurements of this are on the website, and there's a link to that in the description below, but it's kind of that half Continental size. I'm a UK size 10 and I'm 5'4", if that puts it into any kind of perspective. But the link below will take you to the website and you'll be able to see the measurements. Comes with the box and the tissue. Can you see it's got the trees on it? Okay, so the Mulberry tissue as well. Condition of this piece, remember, if you're a bag lover, subscribe to the channel, and when you hit the bell, make sure your alerts are turned on, okay? The condition of this piece, we've said the exterior is fair, well, we said fair throughout, exterior fair, interior fair, hardware fair condition. So the exterior, there is nothing major at all for me to point out to you. You can just tell it's a pre-owned piece and it's been used. The same with the inside, there's nothing major for me to show you. You can just tell that it's been used. There isn't really even any marks. It's just, you know, you can see where perhaps the card, can you see the mark there from the card slots? That's it. It's just got that used look, that used feel about it. And the same with the hardware, there's just some hairline scratches on there. What you'd expect really from a purse. The beautiful plaque on it. So beautiful, beautiful. You can tell it's pre-owned, but I love it. It's in the box. If you have somebody that likes leather that's kind of been broken in a little bit and worn in a little bit, the fact it's got the box makes it a really nice gift item. That's always quite nice. So the link to shop it is in the description below. The link will take you straight there. If the link takes you to our generic product page, excuse me, it means it's sold. I'm really sorry. If you are particularly after Mulberry purses, then you need to let us know. On the website, there is a contact us page. If you fill that in and let us know you're after Mulberry purses, then we'll add you to our request list, and then we'll email you when they come in. You can go on the request list for anything. So it might be Mulberry purses. You might want to say, can you put me on for any Mulberry? There might be a particular vintage Gucci bag that you're after. It might be a Birkin, who knows? Whatever it is that you're looking for, fill out that contact us form, let us know, and we'll put you on our request list. Also on the website, you can sign up to our newsletter, and we send you a discount code when you sign up. It's really easy to do. It takes you about 20 seconds. You just scroll to the bottom of any page on the website, there's a box, you put your email address in, and we send you your discount code. We send it immediately, so if you haven't got it within a couple of minutes, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. Whilst you're on the website, check out the How to Sell With Us page. Our commission rates are excellent, so if you've got arm candy that you think you might want to sell, check that out. There's again another little form on there you can fill out and let us know what you've got, and then we'll get back to you and see if we can make you some pocket money. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.